In the world of culinary delights, there's a dish that stands out as a testament to balance, flavor, and simplicity: the chicken avocado salad. Join us on a journey as we unravel the secrets and stories behind this timeless classic. Our journey begins with the essential elements: the creamy avocados, succulent grilled chicken, and a variety of vibrant greens. Together, they create a symphony of taste and texture that leaves our palates yearning for more. From ancient civilizations to modern-day culinary evolution, salads have always played a significant role in human gastronomy. We'll explore the historical roots and cultural significance of salads and how they led to the creation of the chicken avocado salad we know today. Step into the kitchen with master chefs who understand that creating the perfect chicken avocado salad is an art form. We'll discover their techniques, from marinating chicken to perfectly slicing avocados and crafting the ideal dressing. The chicken avocado salad transcends borders, adapting to local flavors and preferences around the world. We'll travel the globe to explore the diverse interpretations of this dish, from Mediterranean-inspired recipes to Asian-infused creations. Food has a unique ability to unite people. We'll explore the vibrant communities of food lovers, from local food festivals to online forums, where chicken avocado salad enthusiasts share their passion and culinary creations. As we conclude our journey, we recognize that the chicken avocado salad is more than just a dish. It's a symbol of culinary artistry, cultural diversity, and a shared love for food. So, join us in savoring the symphony of flavors that is the chicken avocado salad.